Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ludney, and today, as you know, I have a new hair video for you guys. I'm gonna be doing a new crochet hairstyle, and I wanted to share it with you if you want to do one, and if you're learning to do one. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the hair I'm using for my hairstyle. It's gonna be this hair. This is lulutress and bohemian style, 14 inches, and the color is T1B and 30. So that's it. I'm gonna be getting my hair into like a cornrow and then do the hairstyle. I just washed my hair, so my hair is washed and clean. I'm gonna add the castor oil, and I'm also gonna like dry it afterward. So this is the hair. Now that it's done, I'm gonna start with the crochet process. So this takes longer than I was expecting it to take. Professionally done, just me doing it, because everybody do it their own way, but mine is not like great or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the crochet process now, and you guys can watch. So like I was saying before, this is the hair. So you can already get like the kind of style how it's gonna look on me. And yeah, so there's like 3 folded pieces. I brought like a scissor in case I need to like cut, because after you done the cornrow, I attached them together in another cornrow. So now I'm gonna start with this part right here. I don't know if you see it properly, but this is the length of the hair, 14 inches. Hey guys, this is the final look. I added the last touch. I didn't cut anything, and maybe I will, maybe I will not. I'm just gonna show you like a 360 way of it. So I really like the colors, and I didn't use all of the 3 boxes, so I used like 2 and 75% of the hair, a little bit more than 2.5. So yeah, what do you think? Do you like it on me? Does the color, because I'm really feeling this color now. So this is the back. Anyway, I'm really happy with this color. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have any question about the colors or the hair texture or how to install them, let me know down below. And thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.